Notion as CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to the products are added in the description. In this video, I'll explain what it really means to use Notion as a CRM, what it does exceptionally well, where it struggles, and who it's actually built for, so you can decide if it fits your workflow before committing. Notion is not a traditional CRM platform, but a flexible workspace that can be customized into a CRM using databases, relations, rollups, and templates. Its biggest strength is customization. You can build a CRM that matches your exact sales process, whether that's simple contact tracking, deal pipelines, content-based leads, or multi-stage client management. Notion's databases allow you to create contacts, companies, deals, tasks, and notes, all linked together in a clean visual way. Views like Kanban boards, tables, calendars, and timelines make it easy to track deal stages and follow-ups at a glance. Another major advantage is simplicity and clarity. Notion CRMs are extremely easy to understand, even for non-technical users, and the interface feels far less overwhelming than traditional CRM systems. Collaboration is also a strong point, with real-time editing, comments, and shared workspaces that work well for small teams. However, Notion has clear limitations as a CRM. It lacks native automation, email syncing, calling, and advanced reporting. You won't get built-in lead capture, email tracking, or automated follow-ups without relying on external tools. As your database grows, performance can slow down, especially with complex relations. There's also no true activity timeline like you'd find in dedicated CRMs, which can make tracking customer interactions less precise. Notion works best for solopreneurs, freelancers, startups, agencies, and small teams who want a lightweight CRM for managing relationships, deals, and projects in one place. It's especially useful for creators and consultants who value flexibility and visibility over heavy automation. It's not ideal for high-volume sales teams, outbound sales operations, or businesses that rely on automated email sequences and deep analytics. In terms of scalability, Notion can handle early growth, but eventually you may hit functional limits that require migrating to a dedicated CRM. In summary, using Notion as a CRM is a smart, cost-effective choice if you want full control, simplicity, and customization without complexity. But if your business depends on automation, sales tracking, and integrated communication tools, a purpose-built CRM will serve you better.